Our episode introduces the concept of four chains. How to understand their respective roles? What impact do you think they have on economic development?
So, from my understanding, the four chains, which is upgrading, reinforcing, extending, and building new chains, represent China's efforts to industrial transformation. Upgrading means to modernize the traditional industries to make them more efficient using new technologies. Reinforcing is seizing the chance to expand the industry by strengthening the weak links in the supply chain. Extending means to integrate relevant industries into the process of creating something new, like in the episode of BYD. Didn't stop at just becoming a battery supplier. Rather, they expanded to mineral resource development, vehicle manufacturing, and charging services. Building new chains, from what I understand, is to create something completely new, pioneer an industry, and setting global standards for it. All four chains together, they will drive economic growth by optimizing processes, prioritizing innovation, reducing outside dependency, and opening new global opportunities.
Thank you. This transformation is also reshaping Made in China. Reflecting on products from China that you have encountered or used over the years, do you have any new understanding of Made in China?
Yes, in my eyes, the most striking change over the years is the shift from mass-produced low-cost goods to high-quality innovative products from China. In the past, made in China meant that something is affordable, but it was not perceived as high value. Nowadays, there has been a change in people's perceptions towards Chinese products in the market, with the expansion of still affordable but high-quality Chinese goods into the market like BYD cars, DJI drones, Huawei phones for a few examples, and also a lot more, are leading the charge to set new standards of Chinese products. These products don't only compete on the price point anymore, rather they also compete on quality, design, sustainability, and truly showing the world the growth of China's manufacturing capabilities.
Thank you. This evolution in manufacturing and innovation naturally opens the door to international collaboration. Based on what you've learned about China's development in both traditional and emerging industries, where do you see opportunities for collaboration between Indonesia and China? Are there specific areas with strong potential for joint development?
Yes, there has been a surge of investment from China in Indonesia these last few years, but I do truly think there's a large potential in development. For example, renewable energy systems for hydropower projects. Maybe another good example would be smart agriculture and fishery projects to ensure nationwide food supply. The development of those industries in combination with an upgrade in logistical systems with China's help could bring major benefits to both countries, opening up a new market for China's ever-growing industries, maybe even making Indonesia's vision of becoming a high-income country by 45 a reality.
Thank you.